Good afternoon, one and all. This is Shruti Simhatri. Today I am going to discuss about the anatomy of a web page. Here, anatomy means study of the structure or internal working nature of a web page. The first one I was mentioned here is the page title. This is going to represent the web page title. If we want to represent web page title, we have to use title tags in the head section of HTML coding. And the second one is URL. We can abbreviate this as Uniform Resource Locator. We can also call this as domain name. The URL is the domain name of a website. If the visitor just type www.domain.com, they would be taken to the home page of that particular website. And the third anatomy is the file name. Here file name is a web page file name. It doesn't contain any spaces. And the fourth one is what scroll bars. These are on the right side and bottom of the browser window. And next one is the header section. The header is at the very top of the web page. It usually contains a logo for the website. And the next anatomy is the navigation. A website can use a left navigation system or a right navigation system that spans horizontally right under the header or above the header. Changing the navigation system for page to page is confusing. And the seventh one is web page content. It includes everything between the body tags. And the last anatomy of a web page is the footer. It is the bottom section of the web page. This section is where you usually put your copyright notice, link to your privacy policy, and your website contact information. This is what the anatomy of a web page. Suppose I want to create this web page, what I have to do? Okay, so for creating this web page, I need a markup language called HTML. We can say HTML is a hypertext markup language. By using this language, we can design a web page. Here, web page is divided into two sections. One is head section and the other one is body section. Whatever the titles we want to represent for a web page, that should be written in the head section, and whatever the content you want to represent in a web page, that should be mentioned in body section. Let us write a program using this HTML for creating a simple or a static web page. For writing a program, you have to use tags. Okay, so here for starting a HTML program, I should use HTML tag. Okay, so means our program must be started here. Okay, so in between HTML tags we have to write our code. Okay, so in between HTML tags I was mentioned here means this is a opening tag and this is a closing tag. In between opening and closing tags only you have to write a HTML program for creating a static web page. Okay, so suppose you want to mention web page title. Okay, so now you should write another section in this HTML program, that is what head section. In this head section I am going to represent a title, that's why I am using title tag here. Okay, so suppose my web page name is a sample, so I was written sample as my title. Okay, so this title is a paid tag. In between these tags I want to represent a element or my web page title. Okay, so this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. Whenever a tag is having opening and closing tags, we can say that is a paid tag or a container tag. Okay, so here title tag and head tag and HTML tags are the paid or container tags. Okay, so after mentioning the web page title, what I have to do is closing the head section. Okay, so here a page title is what now? Sample is my page title. Okay, So after writing the head section, what we have to start with? We have to start with the body section. Whatever the web page content you want to written, that should be written in the body section of HTML program. Okay, so here I want to represent, or I want to put a web page content called welcome to my website. Welcome to my website. This is the web page content I want to represent in my web page. Okay, so after writing this thing, what I have to do, close this body section, because whatever the content I want to written, that was over here. Okay, so that's why I'm closing the body section here. Okay, so in this way you have to write a program. After executing this program, what I get is, what is my page title here? My page title is sample, that was displayed at the top of your window. And what is my web page content? Welcome to my website. Instead of web page content here, what it displays, what this program was displayed after executing means welcome to my website. In this way you have to write a simple program, or you have to design a simple web page. Thank you.